Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Trivedi and currently I am pursuing my PhD from College of Agriculture Engineering, Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Jabalpur. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing authority for organizing such a wonderful competition and providing me this opportunity, and it's my great privilege that I have received this opportunity to present my poster in such a renowned webinar. The poster which I am currently presenting is a part of my research that I am carrying out in my PhD. The key element of my poster is river revival and assessment of special features for determining the quantum recharge requirement. I have chosen this topic because, as we all know, that presently water bodies in India are not only in India, we can say in the whole world, they are not in the fruitful condition. Either they are suffering from pollution, or we can say increased runoff or overdraft significantly, which is directly or indirectly resulting in drying of the rivers. So keeping this in view, a study was planned at Kanari River that is situated in Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh. The river, as I have shown in this poster as well, the river is originated from Gotehi Hill at an elevation of about 490 meter, which we have detected using Survey of India topo sheet and Google Earth. But when we went for ground truthing at the site, we noticed that the origin of river shifted about 1.6 kilometer. As beforehand, we decided to determine only the recharge requirement, but at this point, we understood that it is also necessary to determine that what are the key causes due to which this river started drying. Because when we conducted questionnaire survey in that area, we came to know that before the river used to be perennial, but recently it is carrying water only for 3 to 4 months. That is, we can say only till November or December. So the technique which we use for determining the key causes were the preparation of land use land cover map, that is LULC map. And with the help of this LULC map, we have determined this trend change. So for preparing the LULC map, I have already listed the methodology which we have used. We have downloaded some of the satellite images from this website, that is USGS Earth Explorer, and some of the data which were not available for free access, we have ordered it from ISRO. Then the software, that is ArcGIS and ADAS Imagine, was used for image enhancement and processing, and finally the land use land cover were made. But eventually, when we came to know बहुत गर्मी है रे यहाँ पे. That it is very much important to do the accuracy assessment. So eventually we performed the accuracy assessment for determining the precision of the LULC prepared. After that, the key findings which we received using this LULC was that the water body in the area are very much exploited, and due to which it decreased from the year 1990 to 2019 by about 92.09%, which is a huge amount. And conversely, mining activities and habitat in that area increased by about 99.4% and 68.10%, which eventually causes degradation of forest area, resulted in drying of river. And the result I have already showed in the table and figures. The LULC which we have prepared in the study are also presented in the poster. We also went through various references for carrying out this study, and some of them also I have listed here. So lastly, I would like to thank my advisor for his guidance and my parents for their support and each and every one of you for providing me this opportunity. Okay, thank you.